Welcome to the calculator warm-up portion. So I forgot to add this to the video, so I'm going to do this separately. So for this one, it says use your calculator to find the intervals of increase decrease for this particular function. So what you're going to want to do is open your calculator. I typed in my function right there. So take a moment to pause and just type that in. That's a function we're dealing with. Once you typed it in, we're going to hit plot. And notice how there's our graph. So to make things easier, I'm going to go back to my document and insert the picture for you. So I've prepared this to make it a little bit faster. So there's our picture right there. And I'm going to drop this thing right over here so we can kind of analyze it. We're looking for the intervals of increase and decrease. So what we're looking for, to be specific, is we got to find these 2 points here. Those are called your local max or local min points, and we really got to locate those. To do that, you simply use your calculator. You're going to go to Menu, Function, and you go to Extremum number 7. Now notice it gave me 1, 0. The reason it did that is because I was originally tapped close to it. So if you turn this thing on, you can kind of see where I'm tapping. Wherever you tap, it's going to find the one close to wherever you tapped previous. So again, Function, Extremum. That point is 1, 0. So I'll label that 1, 0. Now I want the other one. Tap over here. That's negative 1.666, 9.48. So I'll go 1.66 and 9.481. And let's double check. Yep, 9.481. So now that we have that, we have everything we need. So for interval of increase, let's put our up arrow. We can see it's increasing from negative infinity to negative 1.666. That's right here. And then from 1 to infinity. It's decreasing in this interval right here. I'll do that in blue for you actually. And that would be negative 1.666 to 1. And notice how we're using the x values. So again, we use the x values for intervals of increase or decrease. One more cool thing we can do is we can actually use the zeros of the graph. So I'll kind of do that on the side here. Let's find the zeros really quickly. The zeros are, we have, that's 1. The calculator gives you 0.99. Remember, that's just 1. And the other one is negative 3. So if I were to make the equation, I could write y equals x minus 1, x plus 3. But notice how there is a bounce over here on this one, which indicates the multiplicity should be 2. So I'm going to put a squared on the 1. And then we think about, well, there could be a stretch factor. There could be an a here. But again, notice how we actually have the equation here. So we're just going to use that to help us factor. There's a 1 right there. So we can say with confidence that there's no number there. That's a pretty cool way we can use the graph to also help us generate this factored form as well. Okay, so that's all you need for the calculator. Let me know if you have any questions on that.